Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to buy crypto in Bybit. So first, what you want to do is just go to the Bybit website, create an account or log in, and make sure that you're verified. So next, once you're done with all of that, what you want to do now is go to Buy Crypto right here and then click on one click buy. And then from here, you can spend how much you want and then receive how much crypto you want. But first, what you want to do is just click on payment methods and then choose the payment method that you want to use. So you can use your Euro balance, Google Play, your bank card, and you have Bank of Georgia, Paysera, Banksa, MoonPay, Mercurio, and a lot more. So once you have chosen your payment method, what you want to do is just enter the amount that you want, and you can also change the currency that you want. So for example, I can use the Philippine peso, and then you can enter the amount that you want right here. So for example, I want to spend 1,000 pesos worth of Bitcoin. So yeah, but what you can also do is change what kind of cryptocurrency you want. You can use Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, and a lot more. So once you have chosen the crypto that you want to buy, what you want to do is just click on buy, and then you are done. So the crypto that you bought will be now in your account, and then you can now start investing. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to buy crypto in Bybit. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.